Okay, today we are taking a look at the Deco Wi-Fi 7. This is the BE11000. This is the top of the line when it comes to their mesh Wi-Fi home systems. Take a look at these are the most important stats here. Is that offers up to 11 gigs on the speeds, covers 7,600 feet in coverage. So this is blanket your whole house in coverage. It connects up to 200 devices, which is plenty for the average household. Internet port 2.5 gig. Comes with 3 of them. You'll be using the TP-Link app whenever you are connecting these. This is what it looks like here, and this is the price at our local Costco here. As of today, $499. So this is on the top of their top tier of all their mesh Wi-Fi systems. They do have 2 others that are cheaper. Over here you'll see that there's a $249 and then a $179 over here. But if you're wanting the best of the best, this is the one that you're going to want. This is the Deco BE11000. Hopefully this gives you a general idea of what to expect if you're in the market to get a whole new mesh Wi-Fi system in your house. Can't go wrong with this one. TP-Link is very reliable. I've been using them for a little while now.